So, you want to start a farm. Forget the romantic stories. Farming is a business and it's tough. Today, I'll show you the real practical steps to launch a profitable farm in 2025. No fluff, just a clear, actionable blueprint. Before you buy seeds, ask what will you grow and who will buy it. Don't guess. Research your local market. See what sells out fast. Talk to vendors and chefs and find out what's in demand. Match your land's strengths to what people want and what's profitable. Your decision should be driven by market research, not just passion. Get this right, and every other step gets easier. Don't go big. Start with the smallest plot you can manage. Your first year isn't about profit, it's about learning. Treat your small plot as a lab. Make mistakes, learn about your soil, pests and climate. Prove you can grow and sell a small harvest before scaling up. This is your prototype. Test, learn, and only expand when you have real data. Starting small is the smartest move you can make. Don't plant and hope to sell. Find your buyers first. Talk to vendors, restaurants, and neighbors. Ask what they need, what price they'll pay, and how much they want. Pre-sell your harvest, even if it's just a few veggie boxes to friends. This validates your idea and builds relationships. Business is about people. Get commitments before you plant. Let the market tell you to go ahead. You don't need fancy equipment, just quality basics. A hoe shovel watering can and good seeds. Invest in high-quality seeds and get your soil tested. Track every expense from day one: tools, seeds, fertilizer. Use a simple spreadsheet or notebook. At season's end, compare expenses to income to see if your business is viable. Financial data is as important as your harvest. Real learning happens in the field, not from books. Expect mistakes. Pests, weather, watering errors. Each is a lesson. Fail small and smart. Document what went wrong and why. Tap into local farmer knowledge, ask questions and join cooperatives. Combine hands-on experience with community wisdom. This is your RD. Improve every season. Once you've proven your concept, register your farm as a business. This unlocks access to grants, loans, and bigger buyers. Being official signals professionalism and reliability. It's the step from hobbyist to real entrepreneur. Don't just sell raw produce, add value. Turn tomatoes into salsa, herbs into tea blends, or carrots into snacks. Value addition means higher profits for the same crop. Ask, what's the next step for your customer, and can you do it for them? This is how you become a price maker, not a price taker. Track everything. Yield sales expenses. At season's end, analyze your data: what was most profitable, which channels worked best. Be honest. Let the numbers guide your next steps. Double down on what works, drop what doesn't. This feedback loop is how you improve year after year. Continuous learning turns your farm into a smarter, more profitable business. That's your blueprint. No hype, just real steps to start your farm. Start small, learn from the ground and your community, and let the market guide you. Track everything and keep improving. Drop your location and crop ideas in the comments. Let's build a real farm